Millions of dollars in play within Indiana's budget proposal. Today, Indiana's Senate unveiled their state budget proposal for the next 2 years. News 8's David Williams is live at the State House now to explain where your tax dollars will go if the bill is approved. David.
Phil, there is money in the budget for your child's education, your mental health, and even infrastructure. A hot topic of discussion in our state, school choice and education funding in Indiana. In committee this morning, Republican state senators proposed increasing K-12 school funding by $408 million over 2 years. The proposal also increases the Choice Scholarship Award levels, otherwise known as the voucher program. The coronavirus pandemic has put a strain on many of us, including our mental health. The state plans to spend millions on treatment, but much of that will come from the federal level. The budget calls for allocating $100 million in federal money to the Family and Social Services Administration to address mental health issues. $50 million would go toward the Health Issues and Challenges Grant Program. That would require the state to study and prepare a plan to improve the health and behavioral health of Hoosiers. A goal would be to improve training for professionals to address mental health issues in schools. Last month, George had concerns that mental health and addiction services could lose millions of dollars under the budget proposal.
We're pleased that they restored a good portion of this money. While we're getting all these federal funds in, there's a great opportunity for the next couple of years to build infrastructure up. But we really need that ongoing state money to serve as a foundation, because when that $100 million's gone in 2 years, what we're going to be left with is what the state gives us each year. And so really have a positive outlook over the next couple of years based on the news today.
As for infrastructure, the bill also calls for allocating federal money. $250 million to expand broadband internet access, $10 million over 2 years for more flights, $30 million a year for local grants for water infrastructure and transportation. So the bill passed out of committee this morning 11-2, which means it now continues on in the Senate for further consideration. So coming up all new at 6, we'll tell you about other things in the bill, including where a increase on the cigarette tax stands. For now, live at the State House, I'm David Williams, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
David, thank you very much. Meanwhile,